Our next problem is y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 6. Find dy and delta y when x is equal to 10 and delta x is equal to 0.01. Here given y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 6. So this is function in x. So let us say f of x. So next delta y is equal to formula is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. That is, substitute x plus delta x in place of x plus delta x whole square plus 3 into x plus delta x plus 6 minus f of x is x square minus 3x minus 6 gets cancelled. This is x square plus delta x square plus 2x delta x plus 3x plus 3 delta x minus x square minus 3x. X square gets cancelled, 3x gets cancelled. Delta x, you can take delta x common. This is delta x plus 2x plus 3. Now substitute x and delta x values. That is x is equal to 10, delta x is equal to 0.01, delta x 0.01, 2x is 2 tens are 20 plus 3. This is 0.01 into this is 23.01. So into 0.01 means it is 0.2301. Delta y value is 0.2301. Next dy, differential in y value is, formula is f dash of x into delta x. So here f of x is x square plus 3x plus 6. F dash of x means derivative of f of x, that is x square derivative 2x plus 3x derivative is 3, 6 derivative is 0. Delta x is delta x. This is, substitute the values, 2 into 10, 20 plus 3 into 0.01. This is 23 into 0.01, that is equal to 0.23 is the dy value. This is delta y and this is dy value. Next problem is, if increase in the side of a square is 1%, then percentage change in its area, change in area of a square is, let x is equal to side of a square. Here given percent increase in the side of a square is 1%, that is percentage increase. So given percentage increase is denoted by delta x by x into 100, that is given as 1. We know that area of square is a is equal to x square. Apply log a is equal to log x square. This is log a is equal to 2 log x. Now apply differentials. So this is delta a by a is equal to 2 into delta x by x. Now multiply by 100 on both sides. Delta a by a into 100 is equal to 2 into delta x by x into 100. 2 into this value is given as 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So change in percentage change. Percentage change in area of square is 2%. Next problem is, the diameter of a sphere, diameter of a sphere is measured to be 20 centimeter. If the error in it is 0.02 centimeter, find the error in volume, surface area of sphere. So here diameter of sphere is given. Let diameter is equal to d is equal to 20 centimeter. Error in diameter is given as delta d, that is equal to 0.02 centimeter. Now volume of sphere is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is equal to radius, that is equal to d by 2. R is equal to d by 2. Substitute here 4 by 3 pi into d by 2 whole cube, that is 4 pi d cube by 3 into 8, that is pi d cube by 6. V is equal to, now delta V is equal to pi by 6 into derivative of d cube is 3d square into delta d. Error in V is okay. Now substitute the values. This is pi by 2 into d is 20, 20 into 20 into delta d is given as 0.02. This is 400 pi into 0.01, that is equal to 4 pi. Error in volume is 4 pi centimeter cube. Next, surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is S is equal to 4 pi r square, that is pi into d square. Since r is equal to d by 2, d square by 4, 4 gets cancelled. Now error in surface area is delta S is equal to pi into derivative of d square is 2d into delta d. Now substitute the values. 2 pi into d is 20, delta d is 0.02. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 80 into 0.01, that is 0.8 pi centimeter square is the error in surface area of the sphere. Our next problem is the time of a complete oscillation of a simple pendulum of length L is given by the equation T is equal to 2 pi into root L by G, where G is the gravitational constant. Find the approximate percentage error in the calculated G if corresponding error in T is 0.01%. So here given time period of pendulum is T is equal to 2 pi root L by G. So apply logarithm on both sides. Log t is equal to, this is log 2 pi plus log root L plus log 1 by root g. Again, this is log t is equal to log 2 pi plus log root L. So this is log 1 minus log root g. This is log t is equal to log 2 pi. Root L can be written as L power 1 by 2, that is half log L. So this is also half log g. Now apply differentials. So here log t differential is delta t by t. Here 2 pi is constant, its differential is 0. Here length of pendulum is also constant, its differential also 0. Minus 1 by 2 into, here log g differential is delta g by g. That is delta t by t is equal to minus 1 by 2 into delta g by g. So we need to find delta g by g. Delta g by g is equal to minus 2 into delta t by t. Here given percentage error in t is equal to 0.01. Therefore delta g by g into 100 is equal to minus 2 into delta t by t into 100, that is minus 2 into 0.01, that is equal to minus 0.02 is the percentage error in calculated g. Percentage error in g is minus 0.02%. Find the approximate value of cube root of 7.8. Here given cube root of 7.8, this can be written as cube root of 8 minus 0.2. Here we can take x as 8, delta x is equal to minus 0.2. So here approximation formula is f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. This is approximation formula. Here f of x we can take as cube root of x, that is x power 1 by 3. F dash of x is derivative is 1 by 3 into x power minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3 x power 2 by 3. Now substitute the values. Cube root of 7.8 is equal to, this is f of x, x is 8, cube root of 8 plus f dash of x is 3 into 8 power 2 by 3, delta x is minus 0.2. Cube root of 8 is 2 plus 3 into, here cube root of 8, that is 2 square into minus 0.2. Here 2 minus, here this is 3 to the 6, 2 into 0.1, that is 6 to the 12, 12 minus, so this can be 0.1 by 6 is equal to 0.01. 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36, 6 6 is 36, that is equal to 1.9834 approximately. Our next problem is find the approximate value of square root of 82. Square root of 82 can be written as square root of 81 plus 1. Here we can take x as 81, delta x is equal to 1. Here f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. This is approximation formula. Here f of x we can take it as root x, implies f dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Now root 82 is equal to f of x, that is root 81 plus 1 by 2 root 81 into 1. This is 9 plus 1 by 2 into 9, that is equal to 9 plus 1 by 18, that is equal to, this is 0.0. So this is 10 5 is 90, 10 5 is 90, 10 5 is 90. 9 plus 0.5555, that is 9.055 approximately. We can put 6. Root 82 is equal to 9.0556. Our next problem is, what is the error in calculating the area of the ellipse of major axis is equal to 10 centimeter, minor axis is equal to 2 centimeter, if the error in measuring the major axis is 0.05 centimeter and the minor axis is 0.01 centimeter. So here area of the ellipse is A is equal to pi into A into B, where A is length of semi major axis, B is equal to length of semi minor axis. Length of major axis is given as 10, so here length of semi major axis is 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. Length of minor axis is given as 2, therefore B is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. And error in A is delta A is equal to, that is 0.05 centimeter, and delta B is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Now error in area is equal to, A is delta A is equal to, this is pi into AB, here apply product rule, pi into A into delta B plus B into delta A. Now substitute the values. Pi into A is 5 into delta B is 0.01 plus B is 1 into delta A is 0.05. This is pi into 0.05 plus 0.05, that is pi into 0.1, that is 0.15. Error in area of ellipse is delta A is equal to 0.15 square centimeter. Our next problem is, area of triangle ABC is measured by the measure of its sides A comma B comma C, and if delta C is the error in measuring the angle measuring the angle C. What is the percentage error in area of the triangle? Here area of the triangle A is equal to half into AB sin C. Area of triangle. Now apply logarithm. Log A is equal to log of AB by 2 plus log sin C. Now apply differentials. Your differential of log A is delta A by A is equal to, here A, B are constants, here differential is 0. Here log sin C, derivative of log sin C is 1 by sin C into derivative of sin C is cos C into differential of angle C is delta C by C. This is delta A by A is equal to cot C into delta C by C multiply by 100. Delta A by A into 100 is equal to cot C into delta C by C into 100 is the percentage error in area.